Welcome to Lecture 2 of our series. Since you're watching, you presumably already feel that prosody is important, but this video will lay out a few reasons why prosody matters. But first, thank you for watching these videos. Well, that was no good. Let me try it again. Thank you for watching these videos. Hopefully that sounded more sincere. The prosody certainly helped. So the first message of this lecture is that prosody does what words alone often cannot. Now, how it does this is complicated. Thank you for watching these videos. Can you say what about the prosody made it sincere? It's pretty hard. I mean, pitch certainly is involved. You can see if you lay things out on the x-axis with time, the y-axis with pitch height, a certain amount of pitch range is required. There may be something interesting happening with a few syllables. I'm showing this slide just as a teaser. There's a lot of detail. In fact, English has a specific construction for positive assessment, which we'll explain in detail later. All right, so effective prosody can help you seem, or help you really be, sincere, warm, and polite, can help you better understand people trying to communicate with you, even can help enable you to make people do things for you. So in short, it's empowering for you or for your students or patients, or if you're building a dialogue system, for that system. So that's why prosody matters to people. There's also a business case. Consider the call center industry. It's a huge employer, lots of dedicated and patient agents, but it's strange when you think about it. In essence, you have the digital world and a customer who's trying to do something or get something in or from or through the digital world. And the agent is just they're mediating. So why are millions of people serving this role? Well, it's obvious, right? So you can do things faster with a human, you trust them more, the conversations are often intrinsically satisfying. In short, the human touch is valued, and prosody has a huge role in that. Okay, so hopefully you're now agreeing with us that yes, prosody does indeed matter. Still, why do we need a tutorial series on it? Human prosody hasn't changed in thousands of years, but our understanding certainly has. There's been huge advances over the past 10 years, not generally well known. Hoping these can help teachers or any one of us in our roles as a co-worker or a parent or as a friend. Prosody is challenging. It's not like you just think about it and figure out what's going on. We'll talk about the details later, but prosody is hard to hear. Of course, we can always subconsciously perceive the prosodic meanings that we hear and then encode the correct nuances in our voice. At least most people can do that. But that's subconscious. When you try to explain what's happening, which you might want to do if you're talking about a foreign language or helping somebody who's having difficulty with prosody or building a model for some reason, then it's a challenge. So conscious awareness is something that, after watching this tutorial, you should be better placed to do and exploit. All right, so now a question for you. We're really curious about why folks are watching these videos and what you'd like to hear more about. Since we'll be releasing these videos over the next few weeks, we can fine-tune the later ones based on your input. Okay, so that's it for Lecture 2. In the next lecture, we will overview how prosody is relevant for applications, such as speech synthesis and dialogue systems.